ഗ്രൗണ്ടിൽ പ്രവേശിക്കേണ്ടതാണ്.
Easy. A very good ball from the bowler, no shot. This time Shahir trying for a big hit. Badshah underneath it. Takes a one-hander blinder from the fielder. Badshah, you. What a ball! This time Akshay trying for a big hit. Again wide. Shout for a catch. Umpires are discussing. This would be a huge one, and Akshay is gone back. Player of team Sajid. A very good first up delivery from Sajid P. Ravindran. Played sensibly by the batter, Srijit. What a shot from Shimi. Slow cutter delivery attempted by the bowler there. Very good ball. Short pitch this time. Well fielded there by the fielder. One more run. What a ball. This time Skite keeper behind and takes a simple catch. Nitin to ball into the block hole of Shimi, and well fielded by PK Badshah there. Slow cutter delivery attempted by the bowler Nitin, and well batted by the batter, the Roshan it is. Off pace delivery from Nitin. Trying to hit onto the legs. Slow cutter delivery and well played by Roshan. And well fielded there by the fielder. Throwing back. Shami. What a catch. This time it is Nitin who strikes. Nitin, the coolest, but the hardest. Anas, what a beautiful delivery from Nitin this time. Oh. What a beautiful bowling from Dreras of Chakos. Sajit P. Ravindran. Slow ball. Shout for a catch. A bit of discussion is going on there between the umpires. Bowler and keeper are very much convinced. Waiting for the decision and is not given. What a ball from Dreras. Short pitch this time. Again, dot. This time, it's over. What an effort from the fielder there. Badishah it is. Ball in. ആദ്യ പന്തിൽ തന്നെ റോഷനെ മടക്കിക്കൊണ്ടു നിതിൻ with the loss of 5 wickets. ആദ്യ പന്ത് തന്നെ a very good shot from the batter who is there. Again a short pitch delivery attempted by the bowler Nitin there. This time a base. This time Anas connects and finds the vacant space there for a boundary. Another very good delivery from Nitin. 26 runs on the board with a loss of 5 wickets. 4 points. What a block ball delivery from Nitin this time. Well blocked by the batter, Anas. A short pitch delivery attempted. Catch as the call. This time Umesh Odubara making no mistake. കണ്ട എക്കാലത്തെയും മികച്ച ഫീൽഡർ അതെ അതവൻ തന്നെ ഉമേഷ് ഓടുപാറ. Short pitch delivery, bowling. What a shot from Akshay this time. Was a chance. No one is able to. A easy delivery from Sajid this time. Slow cutter delivery attempted by the bowler Sajid there. They are appealing for caught behind. And the catch is taken by the captain, his man. 7 down for 33 runs. What a shot attempted by the batter there. Well fielded by the fielder there. Salam is a busy fielder behind the wicket keeper. Easy fielders delivery faster from the bowler. Well fielded by Salam. What a beautiful easy delivery from Badishah. Arjun it is. 36 runs on the board. 8 wickets down. Another easy delivery, another wicket. Unnecessary from the batters though. 9.
ഞാനുമായി മൈക്ക് പങ്കിടാൻ എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ് നമ്പർ തന്റെ 100ാമത്തെ ഏകദിനത്തില്
ഇപ്പൊ വേറെ ടീമല്ല എത്ര നേരം
മൈക്ക് പങ്കിടുവാൻ ഇങ്ങോട്ട് എത്തിച്ചേർന്നിട്ടുണ്ട് നന്ദു. NCCയുടെ കാലത്തെയും മികച്ച അമ്പയർ എന്നറിയപ്പെടുന്ന നന്ദു വളർന്നു വരുന്ന പ്രതിഭ. നന്ദു is with me for the mic. We all are waiting.
ഹെരയിലോട്ടോ വന്ന്
Block Patambi Block Bhavana Nirmana Sagarana Sangam Patambi. 3-star decorations Patambi. Tax Pro Patambi. Akshay. A shot of this. Full toss delivery. Battered by the batter there. What a shot! What a shot again from Nitin. Back-to-back quality hit from this quality man. Now, here is the leading run scorer of this tournament. Parattunnu Akshay, മൂന്നാമത്തെ സിക്സറിനും. What a shot! This time into the leg side. Hat-trick of sixes from the batter. Captain, you beauty into the leg side again. That was a slower delivery, attempted cutter delivery from. Trying for a big hit this. Salam connects this time. Srejit feels. Trying for a big hit into. This time reaching to the ball. Nitin. Leg dive from the batter there. This is a very good over from the. A full toss ball. Played sensibly by the batter there. Stylishly by the batter there. What a ball. First. Cutter delivery attempted by the. This time the batter connects. He is. This is it. A quality shot from the quality man, Nitin You Beauty. What a shot to end the final of KL 52. The player of the match award goes to Nitin for his brilliant all-round